What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and yet again we are checking in from Busch Gardens Tampa Bay for another 2025 project construction update and to see what else is going on around the park. I haven't been here since Phoenix Rising opening, so hopefully there's some new stuff. Well, parking was a breeze, and we have up at the ticket windows, no wait. At security, also no wait. Should be right in. Yep, like usual, no wait to get through, and we are on our way. Another boiling hot day here in Florida. Heat index somewhere around 105, maybe upwards of 109. But we're here, a couple reasons, to check up on the new project, rumored for 2025, possibly 26, we'll see. Depends on when they start. And Busch Bucks, at least right now they're offering $25. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna get those. Split Point, Iron Gwazi is that way. Sky Ride and Phoenix Rising is this way, along with stuff for Howl-O-Scream. Yeah, that's right, it's returning. And they should have some stuff up. Moroccan Palace with Rhythm of Nature. 3 shows today, 2, 4, and 6. Cheetah Hunt, right there. And storms all around us. Hopefully, that's not the case. Hi guys.
Hi.
Good to see you. Let's see if the murder floops are out. Shall we? Sure enough, right there. Alright, we're in Cheetah Hunt Plaza, and right away I can see some stuff for Howl-O-Scream right in front of us. Cheetah Hunt showing a 20-minute wait. Not bad. Normally it's like an hour or 75 minutes. Look at this thing though. Definitely want to get on Sky Ride before it closes. Do those. It also closes at 5 p.m. but want to do it now. Alright, so we're in. Let's see if we actually get on though. Last time I was here, got all the way up there and they closed it due to lightning. It happens. I'm really interested to see though if there's any changes over by Phoenix Rising where they were going to have the netting and all that stuff up. We'll see. Very shortly. Hooray, we made it! Cheetah Hunt looking good. Do you see some Howl-O-Scream stuff down there on the pathway? Land Manatee! Good to see him. Serengeti Flyer is in operation, one side at least. Looks like new netting right over the road too. Alright, that's gonna do it for one leg. We'll head back around, do it again. Away we go again. That's pretty close. Skyride. Heading in the direction now of Montu and Cobras Curse, we see Stranglewood Estates, my favorite Howl-O-Scream house here at the park, or at least it has been. The facade is amazing. I mean, it looks awesome. Scares are pretty good too. It's coming up. We've already seen a lot of prep for it. Cobras Curse with a 15-minute wait. Man, that's rare. Haven't done this in a while, shall we?
Cobras Curse.
Oh my god. Oh, look.
Montu, currently showing a 5-minute wait. I don't know about you guys, but I'm feeling like a ride. Here we are in the station. Not a bad wait. Man, I will tell you what, Montu was hauling the mail. Crazy G-forces on that. Ride log said it was over 4.5 Gs on the Batwing. Crazy. Gotta love that ride though. Well, the east side of the park is all done. And now we're making our way towards Pantopia. We can see Howl-O-Scream stuff set up right here. More decorations right here. Props over there. And we can see signage saying Skunk Ape Tour. Well, looks like all of the spider webs now have a proper home with all the Howl-O-Scream stuff in place. More props along the pathway here, a tent. And hopefully this area is pretty dark. If it is, it's going to provide some awesome scares. Tuxedo birds! They're like little bobbers today. along the pathway over here, and in the trees, tons of lights all over the place. This area is gonna look awesome. Can't wait. Since I'm in the Animal Connections area and I have time today, we're gonna go see our pink chickens. There they are. Pink chickens. And the trend of lights and trees continues on over here, and that one also. All the way over to Santa's workshop, which will be ready for Christmas. And there are the Howl-O-Scream buildings slash props that we saw from the sky ride earlier. And more lights and trees. I love it. It's gonna be awesome. Well, it looks like every major tree along this pathway has lights. Even some that are right next to the land manatees. We have arrived in Pantopia, home to Falcon's Fury, Phoenix Rising. There's Falcons right there. Phoenix doing its thing right over there. Unfortunately, Falcon's Fury not going to be open today. They got struck by lightning a little while back, and well, they're trying to get it fixed, but this has not been in operation for a little bit. All right, so here we are at Phoenix Rising. Looks like a pretty full queue, almost all the way out to the entrance. Showing 20 minutes right now. This is going to be a wet ride. Alright, well, I am doing the walk of shame. Phoenix Rising down for weather, then went down for a technical issue, and then went down for weather again. What should have been maybe a 15-minute wait, I waited over an hour and didn't even ride. Still drizzling, thunder and lightning in the area, so rides won't be open for at least 15-20 minutes. And over here, well, work walls are up, so they're doing something with the Pantopia pizza area. Do something, please. Would you? Come on. Now we're over here by Kumba to check up on the progress for the rumored 2025 project. We know it's going to be a big one, possibly a Giga, possibly a large launch roller coaster, who knows. But we know that they got to compete with Epic Universe and all of those announcements that Disney just did, so the park needs something big. And Kumba has all the trains parked inside the maintenance barn, so it does not appear that it is going to be operational today. We did hear a rumor that you can see some more survey markings and flags out by the retention ponds over there. And one way to see it is, well, from Kumba. Unfortunately, not going to be today for us. One of the markings that we've seen before, just laying on the ground now. Over here near Jungala, we used to have some monster trucks, and well, they're gone. It's been cleared out, along with all the wheels that you could drive. And then over here where the boats used to be, and I say used to be because, well, they've drained out the water, boats aren't there, and there's no mechanisms to drive them anymore. So, interesting. Why would that be? Well, if they're gonna open up a big new ride and an area, there's a lot of room they gotta make for. And here we are in the Jungala area. Free beer, still over there. Unlike SeaWorld, when we visited recently, they didn't have it. This area, still walled off, still blocked off. And again, going rumor, something for this area. Doesn't appear anything has changed over here. I still see the ride panel for Wild Surge right there. And this area, yeah, looks to be about the same. Unfortunately, with Kumba being closed, our vantage point of the retention pond is, well, extremely limited. So I cannot confirm or deny if there are new markings out there. On another visit, we'll check it out. All right, well, did find one kind of newish flag right here behind the fence. Cirque Electric has ended its run here at the park, so unfortunately, no more shows. Tigers, still down. Weather is rumbling right now. In prior years, we've had a haunted attraction right here where Tidal Wave used to be, and the queuing was set up for that. And I'm not seeing anything around the area just yet, but hopefully another haunted house will be back. Shikara, not in operation right now. Well, there we go. Now we have some more props set up for Howl-O-Scream, except it looks like Christmas. This is interesting. Yeah, definitely for Howl-O-Scream though. Lorry landing. Normally this area has a scare zone, but I'm not seeing anything set up just yet, except for maybe some lighting like up there, but hopefully soon. You guys already know I'm okay with a double dose of pink chickens, and here they are. One of these is not like the others. Walkabout way with the roofs, and then over here it says welcome to Bourbon and BBQ. So yeah, and here we can see food booths. First one, foolproof, and they have lamb shank, and it has mashed potatoes, molasses barbecue, and then we have a smoked salmon as well. Pricing right there, and this is where you can get it. And then just down the way we have cask and barrel, and over here they have beef brisket, mac and cheese with citrus, and then also a smoked chicken and potato salad with mustard barbecue. And for those of you wondering when it is, well, it started July 19th and it's going through September 2nd and Labor Day, 2 p.m. to close with live music. Another booth over here, and we can see single barrel. And what is on the menu? Well, it says pulled turkey, spicy cherry Coke, barbecue sauce, roasted sweet potato hash, and then they have a smoked pork ribs with sweet and tangy Coke, barbecue sauce, and succotash. Photo opportunity spot over here, and we got grill items right there. Another food booth over here, whiskey rye. Let's see what they got on the menu. I can see apple smoked pork, baked beans, sweet and spicy barbecue sauce, and then a slow smoked beef chunk with coleslaw and barbecue ketchup, and some of the other drinks right there also. Lights all over the area in the trees. Not sure if it's for the event or if it might be a Howl-O-Scream prep. I haven't been here in a while, so forgive me, guys. And here's Festival Walkway. You can see they have different booths set up along the area. We checked them out just a second ago. And then we have more booths over here. Now the booths that we see over here, well, this is going to be for trick-or-treating for the kiddos. Alright, I did a double take because this is kind of weird. There used to be a game right here, soccer game, and they have the game over here, Gwazi Hoops. but it doesn't actually utilize the basketball court that it was built on. But yeah, this is here. Don't know what they're going to put in its place. Iron Gwazi, currently down right now due to the weather. When it was open earlier, it had a 5-minute wait, so I am praying that it reopens. I want to get some rides on it. Yay! Iron Gwazi reopened. First one's in line, so we'll be able to get right up there. And here we are in the station. And our chariot has arrived. Going to be doing back road this time. In prior years, we have had a kind of scare zone, walkthrough scare zone over here. And well, we have tarps up right over here, looking like it's going to be returning. We have signage as well for Howl-O-Scream. So some sort of walkthrough scare attraction right here again. What was that you just said, Armando? Take two?
Take two.
Yep, take two. We're trying again. Weather has cleared, and we're trying to get on Phoenix Rising. Alright, so just did the ride, and this is new for me because this exit pathway was not open the last time I was here. So you can get really close to the brake run. Well guys, that's going to do it for our video here from Busch Gardens Tampa Bay for 2025 construction. Well, we saw a couple markings, but really didn't see too much progress over there. We're hoping over the next couple months that we'll see a lot of indications that we're getting a massive ride here at the park. Of course, Howl-O-Scream is going on in the coming months, and they are starting some of the setup for that. We had a chance to ride some of the rides today, which was awesome. Rain was not awesome, but well, they reopened and we got a chance to do Gwazi, Phoenix Rising, and it was a lot of fun. Of course, we're going to have plenty more videos from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and the website formerly known as Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.